In this video, I will tell you a trick that we can use to add two numbers in any number system, and we will see the trick and its use in addition of binary number systems. So let us start the video. So first, I would like to tell you how to add in decimal number system. We know that we have decimal number system, binary number system, hexadecimal number system, octal number system. So all these number systems are based on base value. So the base value in decimal number system is what? 10, and the base value in binary number system is what? 2. Right. So how to add two numbers in decimal number system? So we know that if this is the question, then we will add 7 and 6. So when we add 7 and 6, this becomes 13. Now I want to tell you a trick that if the addition of number is greater than or equal to the base of the number, then we will generate a carry to the next stage. It means that since the base of the number in decimal number system is 10, so we will subtract minus 10 here and we will get 3, and this 3 I will write here. Right. Right. So since we are subtracting 10, right, we will generate a carry to this stage. So this will become plus 1. Now we will add 8 plus 5 and plus 1. And that becomes 8 plus 1, 9, and 5, this become 40. Right. So the answer is 143 in decimal number system. Similar thing we can do in any number system. For example, we will see in addition of two binary numbers. So we have two binary numbers here, 111 and 101. And when I add these two bits, 1 and 1 here, so then 1 and 1 becomes 2. Since this 2, sum of the number is 2, which is equal to the base of binary number system 2, so I will subtract 2 and it will become 0. So 0 I will feed here. Since I have subtracted 2, right, then I will add a carry here at the next stage. So this becomes 1. So 1 and 1, 2 plus 0, 2. Then again I will get 2. Since it is equal to the base of the number, so I will subtract 2 and this will become 0. So this will become 0 since I am subtracting 2 here. So this will generate a carry plus 1. Right. So now we add here all three numbers plus 1, 1 and 1. So this becomes 3. This becomes plus 3. So again we subtract 2. This will become 1. So this value of 1 will come here. Right. Since I am subtracting 2 base of the number, so this will generate a carry at the next stage plus 1. So the answer is 1100. So in order to add two numbers in any number system, the rule is that if the sum of the number is greater than or equal to the base of the number, then we will subtract the base of that number and the value remaining will be written here, and at the next stage we will generate a carry and the carry will be always plus 1. Right. So using this rule, we can do the addition of any two numbers in any number system, whether it will be decimal, whether it will be binary, whether it will be octal, or whether it will be hexadecimal. So this is the general rule for addition of two numbers in any number system. Now let us see how to subtract in any number system. Right. So first we will examine the decimal number system. We know that decimal number system has a base value 10 and the binary number system has a base value 2. So these are the two numbers. I want to subtract 49 from 57 in decimal number system. So all of you are aware that how do we subtract these two? We see 7 and 9. Since 9 is greater than 7, so that's why we need to take the borrow from the next stage. So we take the borrow from next stage, and when we take the borrow, this 5 becomes 4 and we add plus 10 here. So this becomes plus 10 plus 7, 17, and then we subtract 9. So 17 minus 9, this becomes 8. And that's why this 4 minus 4 becomes 0. Right. So we know that when we take the borrow from the next stage, we are adding this plus 10. Right. And this plus 10, why we are adding this plus 10? Because this is the base of the number in decimal number system. Similar thing, if we do the subtraction in binary number system or in any number system, we will take the borrow from the next stage and we will add the base value to that particular stage. For example, we are subtracting these two binary numbers. So if I subtract 1 minus 0, this will become 1. Right. And now I am subtracting here 0 minus 1. Since 0 is less than 1, so I need to take the borrow from the next stage. So when I take the borrow from this stage, this will add the value plus 2. Why this is adding the value plus 2? Because the base of the number system in binary number system is 2. So this 1 becomes 0 here because I have taken this 1 value. Okay, I have taken this 1 as a borrow to the this particular stage. Now this 2 minus 1, this will become 1. Now this is 0 and this is 1. Now 0 is less than 1. So I need to take the borrow from the next stage. So when I take the borrow, this will add plus 2 here and this will become 0 here. So this 0 plus 2 becomes 2. 2 minus 1 becomes 1. And this 0 minus 0 becomes 0. Right. So we can use this idea or trick to subtract in any number system. So whenever we are taking the borrow from the next stage, we are actually taking the borrow from the next stage. Then we are adding the base of the number to that particular stage. So if it is in binary number system, we are adding plus 2. If it is octal number system, we are adding plus 8. If it is hexadecimal number system, we are adding plus 16. If it is decimal number system, we are adding plus 10. Right. So this rule can be applied to any number system whose base is given to us.